Excited about Windows 11 update? If yes, then make sure you watch this video as I have some tips for you that you should do before upgrading to Windows 11. Hey there, awesome people! How are you guys doing? So this is your Vibro from Tech Week, and on 5th October 2021, we'll receive the latest Windows update, which is Windows 11 official stable update. Now without further delays, let's talk more about these tips. If this is the first time you're watching my video, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, as I'm really close to 10,000 subscribers, and also 98% of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel. So if you really want to support a small creator like me, then a sub to the channel would really mean the world to me. Alright, so the first and foremost thing that you should keep in note is the system requirements of your computer. Basically, according to Microsoft, Windows 11 requires a 1 GHz or a faster CPU, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage. You're also going to need a version 2.0 Trusted Platform Module, or also known as TPM, which takes care of various security-related duties. TPMs are included on most modern motherboards, so you may already have one. Along with that, there has been a huge conversation going on related to older devices not getting this update and not supporting Windows 11. But if you're using a computer which was bought in the year 2016 or later, then it should definitely support Windows 11. Even I'm pretty sure that there will be developers who will find a way of installing Windows 11 on older systems as well. So if you are using an older computer and want to install Windows 11, then do subscribe to my channel, as I'll surely make the video for Windows 11 installed or running on an older PC. Now, if you're confused about your computer whether it will support Windows 11 or not, then just go to the video description and there you'll find a download link to the PC Health Check app, which will let you know if your computer will support Windows 11 or not. The second thing that you need to do before upgrading to Windows 11 is to check your files and back them up. Basically, when you upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11, then your files and folders should basically be intact. But there's still a chance that something might just go wrong and it might result into data loss. So what I would suggest you to do is to keep a backup of all your files and folders which are really important to you before the update. For backup, there are basically many software that you can take the help of, but if you ask me personally, I would suggest you to go ahead and back up the important files and folders by yourself, because you'll know it better which all files are important, which are not. Get yourself an external drive and back up all your files for safety reasons, and you're good to go. The third thing that you need to do before upgrading to Windows 11 is to check your installed software. When upgrading to newer version of Windows, Microsoft introduces new features and functions to the newer version of Windows, which might result into crashing of the third-party applications or anything as such. So just go to your Start button and search for Add or Remove Programs, and then open it. It will show you all the applications that are installed inside your computer, and make sure you take a note of all the installed applications that are installed inside your computer, as the upgrade might result into malfunctioning of some applications and you might need to reinstall them back again after upgrading to Windows 11. These points are really simple, but it might just help you to tackle some unfortunate events after upgrading to Windows 11. The fourth and the last thing that you need to do before upgrading to Windows 11 is to have at least 64 GB of free space inside your computer, basically the Windows drive. Now, if you don't know how much amount of free space you have, just go to your This PC and there you will see a drive with a Windows logo. That's the drive where your Windows 10 is installed, and even that's the place where Windows 11 will also get installed. Make sure you have at least 64 GB of free space. For me, as you can see, I have more than 200 gigabytes of free space, so I don't need to worry about space for my new Windows 11. Before ending the video, a bonus tip for you guys: before you are installing the newer version of Windows, make sure your computer is plugged in. You don't want to install Windows 11 while on battery if you're using a laptop. Or if you're planning to install Windows 11 on a battery, then make sure that the battery is at least more than 80% before proceeding forward. But take my advice, plug in your computer before upgrading in the upgrading process, and you will be fine during the installation. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, then please do like this video, as YouTube algorithm will push this video to other awesome people like you. And do let me know in the comment box down below if you have any questions or anything as such. Have a great day, God bless you all, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and cheers!